guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also do not forget to join my WhatsApp community group or something like that. Community, I don't know. So a lot of people are like, it's a bit confusing. Why it doesn't look like a group. So the reason why I've started a community rather than the normal group is because a lot of people are gonna be joining. I mean, if a lot of people join from different, like, I don't want people to have access to people's phone numbers when they are not supposed to. So that's why I've started a community which hides people's phone numbers. So today the video is going to be more about I'm gonna be attending a baby shower. Is one of my first baby showers to attend. It's actually my second. The first one I went to, I was not invited. I was a party bump or something like that. So yeah, I'm quite excited for this one. The only thing that's a bit I'm not excited for is I was part of the event planners, but I'm not gonna be at the start of the event actually planning the rest of the other things. So because there's things that I have to do, so I'll only show you guys the end of it. So the first part of the video is just me preparing to go to the baby shower, and then the last part of the video I'll be showing you more about what happened at the baby shower. So the baby shower is for my aunt, and we did 12 cupcakes that were blue, and my mom said she needs more, so like 4 more. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket, although it's a bit short notice, and see if they can do that for me. They have any cupcakes that are not yet designed, or if they have the navy blue cupcakes, I don't know. So I'm just gonna go in there and see what they say. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm also inside. Oh, the first thing that I see, Saga guys, I've on the chima custom made for such a short notice, so I think we just have to work with whatever that we have, guys. But for some reason I want to try this. I feel like I should try it and buy one for my sister, so I'll buy 2. Guys, I'm back at home. I don't know why my lighting is always so bad. Oh, don't put that camera. Maybe it's because I'm Oxen and I don't know, whatever. Maybe I need that big light ring, but I didn't get what I wanted, so now I'm starting to prepare for the end of baby shower. And I bought some lunch. I bought some buns, these buns, and then my sisters, and just some snacks for the trip, and some Coke, and some in Zimbabwe called it polony, but this is like chicken ham, and the cheese.
One eternity later.
My last video ndatozorara kufa hangu nehope. And I'm supposed to go out in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. Just give me a second. Let me put it all. Guys, just a quick look. So this is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing. I just need to iron it. And the shoes white. And these are the things that I'm gonna be putting in my bag. Yo guys, and don't worry. The shoes are actually new. Can I not say better? But anyway, I'm also going to I want to see under the summer. Oh yeah, my shit tank, so it's all good. So yeah guys, first of all, let me just iron my dress and then start bathing. the faker, hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do things very fast. So I'm not gonna vlog much Canada Buddha because I'm a bit behind. Hi guys, so I'm just in this bathroom to show you the dress, so, and the shoes. Dress that I don't know but still it's really no nyana easily. But yeah, that was the outfit for the baby shower. Did you like it, Tana? Did you like it? Nice. I'll try mine. What flavor did you take? Lemon. What's it?
We move on. The next is another competition. And now, from the original polo fathers, we need another 3 volunteers. Another 3. Three more, please. 3 more. We have 1, 2 more. Oh, yeah. The competition is tough.
Hi guys, I've just come back from the baby shower. I haven't started editing, but I feel like I did not vlog much. So after the baby shower, there was a braai thing happening as well, and I did not vlog that as well. But yeah, yeah, I think this will be the end of the baby shower vlog. Hopefully, if anyone is doing a baby shower or whatever, they got a little bit of an inspiration. This one was blue because, of course, the boy, we already did the gender reveal and said it was gonna be a boy, so that's why it was blue. And yeah, I didn't vlog that much, but yeah. And if you see the posters, like the welcome sign that I showed you, and the table cards, whatever, we also had games as well. You can always let me know. I've got the PDF versions of those already, so I can always send you, and then you can print it yourself. If you are planning a baby shower or planning it for someone else, I'm not I only realized I've seen that almost all the 2 baby showers that I've gone to, people play games. That was something new to me, that people play games. So if anyone wants that, I can always send them. You can always hit me up through my WhatsApp channel that will be in the comments, or you can just comment. And also, guys, for the other people, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. And I'll see you next time when I'm back with another video.